Vihan, ready? So this speed is like 64 miles per hour, so it's more like 100 kilometers, okay? But it's a light ball, so it's not that bad. Let's see how you drive these balls, okay? It's not 65, it's 64. Good. When you drive the ball, do not bring the bat in front of your eyes. That means keep the bat below the eye. Just extend your arm when you drive it. Good defense. Hey, you are playing early or late?
Nothing, I'm just ready.
Keep the bat down. Keep the bat down. Go near to the ball. Go near to the ball. In the line of the ball. Are you dropping your elbow? Are you moving your elbow first to the ball? How you are going it to the ball? No. First you move the elbow towards the line of the ball and then stretch your body so that you play below your head or something like closer to the ball. Try, show me. No. Don't do that way. Move your feet, but you move your elbow towards the ball first. वैसा खेलना है. Good. Remember, this is what you practice in the net. If you want to hit higher in the air, you have to hit harder a little bit, not like easy. You don't want to give easy catch. Good. Drop it, leave it. Is it coming to your bat? Because the light,
I think I went too early.
because the light balls are bouncy, so good. Middle of the bat, nice. Why did not you go to the ball? It was pitching near to you. Okay, let's see the video and see what mistake you did. Good. It's nice, clean shot. Hey, again you are doing the same mistake, you will do same in the ground. If you do not understand the ball, either leave it or just defend it. Do not push the ball when you are defending. Just let the ball come and hit the bat. Angle down. Yeah, angle. This is like more like a changing the
Yeah, but
direction.
no one's gonna catch those because it's gonna be too fast.
No, you have to build the right habit. Good. This shot was nice. Build the right habit so that. Good. All right. Remember last time when the ball was slow, your cut was also delayed. So what you're gonna doing is cutting the shot on time. So this is, let's do some 5-6 overs of practice. Also when you extend your arm, extend properly, hit it on the.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Remember the cut shot, the power comes from the backhand, not the top hand. It's a cross bat shot, yeah? Let's do it. Let's see how you do it. Do not go near to the ball.
That was a back foot punch.
Stay away if the ball is closer. See how where is pitching. And hit it down a little bit, not like up in the air. Good. Let's see how nicely you are playing. Which ball you are missing, yeah? Let's find out some mistakes. Good. Let it ball bounce. Let the ball come to you also when you cut it. One more thing I see, your backhand is holding two away from the other. Have the gloves together in the middle. Good. Hit the ball this side. You are doing good, boy. No bounce.
What?
Change the angle a little bit. Cut it.
It's too far for me.
What are you talking? It's a short pitch ball. It's a short ball. Look at it. Yes. Short ball, you don't leave it. Hit it. Yeah. If it's a little bit closer, give a space and then cut it. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Just move your front foot little bit away and cut it on the offside only. Cut means not hitting forward. Cut it to the same angle area. Your point. Yeah, hit it. Down marna hai. Okay, lift the bat up a little bit more. Yes. Complete the shot, okay? Full swing. Okay. Stay away from the wicket a little bit, you are going too close.
But I take middle stump. I have to take it.
No. Stay away from the wicket. Make a measurement. One bat and handle.
Yeah, I know I'm away from the stump, but I take middle.
No. One measure how far you are standing. Put the bat. One bat and one stump. One handle. One bat and handle.
Yeah, this is where I stand.
Otherwise you get hit wicket. Marusko, you're not hitting like a really nice in the middle. This is the one I'm looking. Good habit. Yeah, nice. Hey, where are you hitting? Good. 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 Hold the bat in the middle of the handle. Nice middle. Bad timing. That's a good shot. Good. Wait for the ball. Hit it in the square.
After it bounces, it comes so slow.
Hit on the point. Hey, don't hit in the air, Ishabihan. Try to stay down. Same mistake will happen in the game if you don't do it, correct it in the net. Alright. Let's see how you defend these balls, okay? Chalo. Near to the body, near to the body. Hey! I told you, right? The angle bat down, elbow down, body weight. What is this? Why you are pushing away from the body? We are trying to defend, right? Good. Only defend the ball which comes to the wicket. If the ball is away from the wicket, there is no need to defend because you are going to get an edge sometimes, right? You are defending the wicket. Is it going to the wicket? Then why you are not nicking the ball? Defend down, Vihan. You are going up in the air, boy. The ball is little bouncy, but that doesn't mean that your angle is up. Angle keeping down. Show me the angle again. Show me the angle. Show me the angle. Okay, when you're moving your feet, are you going on the ankle or are you going on the toe?
Toe.
Go in the ankle and then go down. Elbow, yes, down, elbow down. The knee down. Start with the elbow down and then go to the ball. Defend the ball in angle. Yes, leave the ball with that one. More down angle. What is this? Don't do cross bat.
That was a flip.
I'm saying defense. Same ball defending. We are trying to defend all the ball. Let's see where are the mistakes. You understand what are you doing wrong?
Yes.
What are you doing wrong?
I'm hitting the ball to be coming on that
Do not push the ball on the defense, block the ball. When you do a little gentle drive, punch it, then you punch the ball. Let the ball come and hit you. You do not hit the ball. You're not listening, and I give you command then. What the hell is that? Okay, do you want 100 push-ups? Hey, you want to play or no? We are learning the defense, okay? Make the defense stronger. Do not hit here and there. I don't care even if the glance or flick. Defend all the balls. Go in the line. तू साले सुधरेगा नहीं, हाँ? मारूंगा चमाट आके अभी तेरे को. Show me how you defend it. Your body is going down. Where is your elbow? Elbow going to the line of the ball and defending. Go down. You are putting your head down before even you are moving your hand. Show me again. Why your head is down? Look at the ball till the last. No. First you move your elbow towards the ball. Move your arm towards the ball. Yes, and are you looking at the ball? Where are you? Where is the ball? Keep eye on the ball till last. When the ball hits the bat, you should look at the ball, okay? Did you see the ball?
Yes. Told me not to. So I'm gonna
This is better. Again, what is this? You want a chamat? When you are playing here, you go down like this. You are here, you go down like this, and then you defend here like this angle. Here, what you are doing is you are heading down. You are doing like this. You are doing like this. You have to go and do like this. You have to go and do like this. Go do like this. Go do like this. Go do like this. Angle down. Go do like this. Your pad is like this. You are doing like this. You are do like this. And look at the ball below the head. This is the practice you have to do behind 100 times in the house. I cannot teach you from there. Is it good or no good? Let the ball come and hit the bat. This is better. You do not push the ball. Let the ball push the bat.
pushing it, just gonna come and hit my back.
No, you are hitting harder. That's why. Make the angle down. This is how you, this is called give away your wicket. You are defending, but suddenly you want to hit it. I'm not telling you that how you play this ball. I'm telling you there's a learn and confirm your defense mechanism. Okay, next 5 balls, hit harder. Let's see where the ball goes, okay? Doesn't matter where it goes, hit harder. Okay, you saw that. Timing is wrong, it's going in the back, right? Let's hit another ball, let's see what happens. Chalo. You will understand that where the ball goes when you do a wrong shot. If you pick correctly, it will go for 6 also. Come on. See, it goes up in the air, 30 yard will catch it. Did you see where the ball was supposed to be hit? It get hit? That's a good shot, it will go for 4. It will between those cover guys. It will good shot, it goes above the 30 on the long off. That also good shot. See, you are better in offensive than defensive. Again, he's going up in the air, he get caught. Again, it goes for 4 or 6. Did you hit harder?
Yes.
Back lift high?
Yeah, I timed it right.
Hit all the, did you put all your power on it? Put your handle in the middle. Hold the bat in the middle. Is it full length?
Yeah, I think.
It's not a full length, it's a good length. Wow, you are hitting better than defensive. So, same ball you should know how to defend, same ball have some confidence on like if you want to hit it. But remember one thing, do not hit every ball on the leg side. Offside ball, offside shot mostly. Last ball. Catch out. Your test match innings over.